Let's learn the day's name with Kids School. Day's name. Today we are going to learn about the day's name. So you have to tell me how many days are there in a week. Guess please. Yes, there are 7 days in a week. 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. 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 Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Friday. Saturday. Thank you.